Good morning, I'm Jonathan Toxopius, Sales Representative for Algar Livestock Handling Equipment, and welcome to NAMPO ALFA. I'm going to give you a bit of a run through of our products that we've got here today, and also our products are designed, they're manufactured to save you on labor costs and also save you time, making you more productive, which is definitely necessary in today's economy. So this is our sheep tilt. Your ram can be put on either side of the tilt. Sheep walks in, clamp it, tilt it. It walks off on this side over here. Then on this side, we've got our first hybrid crate. This is the option with a neck clamp on the front. Then also you've got the clamp in the middle. The clamp can be totally taken out. Once that's done, you can also have the option to clasp left, right, or it will go straight out. So then on this side, we've got our second option with a hybrid crate. This option does not have the neck clamp. It's got a neck gate in the front and the back. You've got your body clamp, which can also be taken out, and then your gates on the left and the right, which will allow us for clasping. Then on this one, we've got the sheep crate. This one, you're going to clamp your sheep. It can be set on the floor depending on the size of the sheep you're busy working. Once they're in here, you can dose, you can tag, and they're going nowhere. It can also be put on weigh beams, which also allows you to weigh. Okay, yeah, we've got the sheep system. We've got our sweep tub, brings your sheep into the crush. The crush is adjustable. It narrows from 500 to 200 mils, which stops your smaller animals from turning in the crush, saving you time and saving you labor. Less stress on the animal, less stress on the people busy working. Over here we've got our class gate, and you're going to class your sheep using this gate. Okay, then over here we've got our sheep three-way classing gate. So it's either going to go left, right, or straight out. This you'll put at the end of your sheep system or at the end of your crush. Over here we've got our standard weigh crate. This one gets put on the weigh beams, allows for nice easy weighing. Sliding gates work on bearings, which makes it easier. Over here we've got our heavy duty cattle neck and body clamp, perfect for any farm. It got 11 access gates, allows you to work your animal effectively, safely. Everything opens up, your neck clamp nice and open. Got its body clamp, and then also on this option you've got your AI gates, which allows you to AI nice and effectively. This makes working very safe, and it's less stress for the animal and the person working. This is a J-Law self-propelled feed mixer. It allows you to cut your feed, mix your feed. A big advantage of this is you do not need a tractor, which makes it effective for most farms. Stud breeders, they can make specific mixes. It cuts your feed really well, and this is very, very important so that your animals get all the nutrition they need from the feed you're busy mixing and cutting. This is our cattle system. We've got three options here. This is the standard option, 2 mil steel thickness. Then we've got a lighter duty and then a heavy duty. It's got the adjustable crush, and then also it's got the backstop. Your animals go under, cannot move back. And then right at the end, we have got the heavy duty neck clamp, which opens totally from the bottom to the top. And then to get hold of us, you can visit our website at www.algar.co.za. You can contact us on 082 324 6256, or you can email us at algar@algar.co.za.